Now departing is 81224 on the lner service to London King's Cross. Everybody's cross, as I like to say. And what a cool driver with a Scottish accent, I love it. Hey, thank you. And away she goes. And away she goes. So once again, thank you very much for joining me here at Northallerton. If you enjoyed, please comment, like and subscribe. Again, shout out to Finley Hoogill, the transport spotter. Keep subscribing to his channel as I want him to get loads. And until next time guys, from me, Lewis, your transporter, take care guys. See you.